Right Honourable Speaker. Right Honourable Speaker, the man lying before us here, the late now Honourable Segirinya, it is indeed very painful to the country at large that we've lost such a darling of the people. Honourable Segirinya has been a very close friend, very close to me, because there are very many things we have in common. He's an activist, he has been one, and I have been one as well. And I am still one.
And you're still one.
Right Honourable Speaker, it's been unfortunate this morning that still government was unable to stand with Segirinya, because we all believe and know during his political life, especially MPship, it has been persecution from still this government. But I need to beseech the government and still call upon the government that there is still time. You can stand with Honourable Segirinya in just two ways. First and foremost, to drop the charges, but most importantly, to bail out all the political prisoners in prisons in Uganda. I've always been, for the 2 years Honourable Segirinya and Honourable Sewanyana spent in prison, I put down all my nice suits, just like one I put on today, and decided to wear free all political prisoners, written on all my clothes for those 2 years. I call upon government to free all political prisoners, but most importantly, to bail them out as they are being tried for us what we call the persecution. That is very simple. But most importantly, General Museveni can still do something very, very, very great to the people of Uganda for this reason. Because Ugandans believe Honourable Segirinya died because of Mr. Museveni intimidating the judiciary not to bail out Honourable Segirinya. Everyone believes that. So let General Museveni at least this time give Ugandans the most important gift and not stand in 2026. I thank you.
Thank you so much.